Now our last step is uh, installation of TEMS Pocket in the device. For that we have to download TEMS Pocket setup file from the GLS portal. For that we have to log in the GLS account and then click on downloads. Click on downloads, wait for some time. Now you can select TEMS Pocket here in your downloads. TEMS Pocket 23.3 installation is installer file. This one is the latest one. Click on this TEMS Pocket installer file. I already downloaded in my PC, so I am just skipping this step for now and just going directly to the setup file. Here is the setup file, TEMS Pocket installer 23.3. This is the TEMS Pocket installer file. Just click on it, run as admin, click on yes. Then you will get this pop-up window here, welcome to TEMS Pocket 23. Click on next. It will verify your device like this, OnePlus NE2211. Click on next and wait for some time to configure the device or installing the setup file in the handset. Wait for some time. Now click on finish. Now in the handset screen you will get this. Now click on install. Yes. Wait for some time to install the all TEMS Pocket setup files. Install successful. All components were installed or upgraded successfully. Click on OK. Then reboot the device. Maybe I skipped one step here. While running the Pocket setup file, you have to connect the device to the PC. So please make sure you will connect the device to the PC for TEMS Pocket installation. Now you can see TEMS Pocket here, installer file here. Please wait for some time to activate all the TEMS Pocket related setup files here. Now you can see active components are 16. We have to wait some time. Now please launch TEMS Pocket. First time when you launch TEMS Pocket, then you will get this. Click on I agree. First time you will need internet connectivity to the phone to launch TEMS Pocket in handset. So make sure to connect the internet with handset. By mistake, I have installed TEMS Pocket 23.3 version in the handset, so I am going to uninstall it. So maybe this video will help you how to uninstall the TEMS Pocket in the handset. Just click on this TEMS Pocket installer file, okay, and then click on uninstall. Wait for some time to uninstall all the active components of TEMS Pocket 23.3 here. I am just uninstalling this Pocket 23.3 because we always recommend to use latest version. So we have 24.2 version, so that's why I'm uninstalling it. By mistake we have installed 23.3 in the handset. Now we have downloaded TEMS Pocket installer file for 24.2.1. so process is same. Run as admin. You will get this. Click on yes. While installation of TEMS Pocket to the device, you have to connect device with PC via USB cable. So like this, we have connected device with the PC via USB cable. Now click on next. Now you can see OnePlus device here. Click on next, and meanwhile you will see device here. Now it's installing. Click on finish. Now you will get this TEMS Pocket installer setup in this phone. Click on install. Wait for some time while installing the setup files here in device. We have to wait. It seems that install successful. Click on OK and reboot the device. Device reboots. We have to wait some time. You can see now active components are 19. Active components are 20. While launching first time TEMS Pocket in handset, we have to connect data in device. We already connected device with internet connectivity. Now please launch TEMS Pocket. Click on I agree. Pocket is successfully launched. uh, we don't have SIM card in the device, so we cannot see parameters here, RF parameter. Okay, now we can see Pocket is working fine. Thank you all.